If you're looking to set up pipelines in Housecall Pro, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process of setting up and managing pipelines to streamline your workflow, boost efficiency, and make tracking your jobs easier. Housecall Pro is a powerful tool for service-based businesses, and setting up pipelines properly can make a big difference in how smoothly your business runs. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to configure and manage pipelines to get the most out of the software. First off, what are pipelines in Housecall Pro? Simply put, pipelines are a way to organize your workflow. They allow you to track jobs as they move through different stages, such as new lead, scheduled, in progress, and completed. This helps keep everything in one place and makes it easy to see where each job stands at a glance. It's a powerful tool to prevent jobs from slipping through the cracks and ensures you're staying on top of everything. Now, let's dive into how to set them up. To get started, you'll need to log into your Housecall Pro account. Once you're in, head over to the Pipelines tab in your dashboard. If you don't see it, you may need to click on the Jobs section first, then find the Pipelines option there. It's important to note that this feature is available in certain plans, so check if you have the right one. When you're in the Pipeline section, you'll see an option to create a new pipeline. Click on Create New Pipeline to start. You'll be prompted to give your pipeline a name. You could create a general pipeline for all your jobs or set up specific ones, such as for residential or commercial work, depending on the nature of your business. After naming your pipeline, you'll need to add stages. These stages are customizable, so think about the specific process your jobs go through. For example, you might have stages like new lead, appointment scheduled, on-site, payment pending, and completed. These stages allow you to track exactly where each job is in the process. You can also adjust these stages later if you need to tweak your workflow. Once your pipeline is set up, you can start adding jobs to it. When a new job comes in, simply drag and drop it into the appropriate stage. Housecall Pro makes this process simple with an intuitive drag and drop interface. Each job you add to a pipeline will automatically be organized according to the stages you've set, making it easy to manage multiple jobs at once. One of the most useful features of pipelines is the ability to automate certain actions. For example, you can set up automatic reminders for when a job is in a specific stage, like sending a reminder to your technician when a job is scheduled or sending an invoice when a job is completed. This takes the pressure off you and your team, ensuring things get done without needing to remember every little detail. Another great feature is reporting. Housecall Pro lets you generate reports to see how your pipeline is performing. You can track how many jobs are in each stage, how long they've been there, and even measure how quickly jobs are moving from one stage to the next. This gives you valuable insights into your operations and can help you pinpoint areas for improvement. As you get used to working with pipelines, you'll start to realize just how much easier it makes managing jobs and keeping everything organized. Housecall Pro is built to save time and improve productivity, and setting up pipelines is one of the best ways to take full advantage of it. If you're new to Housecall Pro, or if you're just getting started with pipelines, don't worry. You can try the software completely free with an exclusive trial available through the first link below. It's the perfect opportunity to dive into the platform, explore all its features, and see how pipelines can make a difference for your business. In summary, setting up pipelines in Housecall Pro is an easy and effective way to streamline your job management process. With the ability to track jobs at every stage, automate reminders, and generate insightful reports, you'll be able to boost your efficiency and stay on top of everything. Don't forget to click the first link below to start your free trial and unlock the full potential of Housecall Pro today. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out the extended free trial available exclusively for you.